Well, good morning. Here we are in Alwoodley, North Leeds. It's a beautiful blue sky autumn day, and we've been called to this property to clean the front drive. It's a resin bonded surface. The front of the premises is north facing, so there's a lot of shade on the driveway here, and that's obviously encouraging the moss growth. Let's take a closer look and see what we're dealing with. So if we get down closer here, yeah, resin bonded. This has just been laid quite thinly on top of a pre-existing tarmac base. As we can see here, the moss has really taken hold, and you know, unless this is eliminated, it's just going to spread like a carpet without any question. Here we can see the original tarmac surface, and this is just, well, it's just come undone. I don't know whether that's been released by frost or whether it was just badly bonded when it was first laid, but again, there's a case for going very carefully here on the surface so we don't cause any further problems. So I thought we'd just pause a minute and just to see how we're getting on. We've cleaned this top section here, up at the top there. It still needs a rinse off, but here we've got the line there between what's being cleaned and actually one of the less mossy areas here, and it's quite a distinctive difference really. So let's carry on and get the job finished off. Well, that's looking a lot better than it was. I'm very pleased with it, more to the point the customer is. On to the next job.